Hi watch lover, we are back. I'm Nelson. Today we are going to unbox Seiko 5 SNKK65K. It's an automatic silver dial watch, discontinued model. And with my tourmaline bracelet, Seiko 5 family have set the standard in affordable, rugged and stylish watches since 1963. Incorporate simplicity but seriousness. The name of Seiko 5 derived from 5 key elements. They are automatic winding display, the displaying the day and date in the single window. They have water resistant and a recessed crown at 4 o'clock position, and a durable metal bracelet. All Seiko 5, they have a very good lume. This Seiko 5 SNKK65K is a lovely silver dial. It's a sunburst silver dial. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. The sunburst. Diameter is 38 mm, thickness 11 mm, lug-to-lug is 43 mm, the lug width is 18 mm, a see-through back casing, movement 7S26, which consists 21 joules and 41 hours power reserve, 30-meter water resistant, and mineral crystal glass. Let's try on. My wrist is 6.5 inch. You can see it sits very well on it. A good stunning watch with a reasonable price. I think you still can manage to find in the market. As usual, all Seiko 5 watches is classic, timeless, reliable, well built and robust. The silver dial is so beautiful. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.